Hi, welcome to Amjad Concepts. In this video, I'm going to explain a new chapter from the 10th class, that is polynomials. Here, what is the meaning of polynomial? I'm not asking definition. Polynomial means, listen, poly is nothing but many or more. Poly, nothing but many or more. Nomials, parts. In mathematical language, we can say terms. Many terms. What many terms? Listen. Here, first of all, what is term? What is term in mathematics? Here we can define like this. In term also, we have the two parts. Numerical part and some alphabet. Okay. These two are joining by into multiplication symbol, nothing but 2x. This totally we can call it as term. Okay, for example, if we given x square y, totally 3x square y. How many terms are there? Only one term. Okay, now only one term. If we given like this, some 8x whatever, here added by a symbol plus or subtract here minus. Here how many symbols, how many terms are there? Two terms. Here how many terms? Two terms. Okay, now I think you got this point. Okay, if you write a plus or minus between those, okay, those are two terms. Okay, if 3x plus 5 given, if not 3x minus 5 given, how many terms are there? Two terms are there. Okay, now clear. This is the term. Okay, in this term we have this one is the numerical part and English alphabets. Okay, these numerical parts, nothing but these are having a fixed numerical values. So they are called as constants. These are called as constants. Constants nothing but a symbol which having the fixed numerical part, fixed numerical value is called as a constants. Okay, and those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, constants means a symbol which having the fixed numerical value, constants. What about variable? Variables nothing but a symbol which are having various numerical values. Various numerical values. Those are x, y, z and so on. P, q, r and so on. Okay. Various numerical values. That means, let's take x. We know the x values are for problem keep changing to problem. In problem, if you get another problem, you will get 100 or 1000, whatever. Values are not fixed. Okay, so those are called as a variables. Okay, now constants and variables. Combination of these two. For example, 2x square or 2x plus 3. Combination of variables and constants. We can write some expression. This expression is called as a algebraic expression. This expression is called as a algebraic expression. Now coming to our chapter, polynomials. Well, what is mean by polynomials? How can you define that? Polynomial nothing but an algebraic expression which having the non-negative numerical part, non-negative numerical power, okay, is called as a polynomial. What is non-negative numerical power? Listen, for example, 2x square plus 3x plus 5 given. What is power here? 2. Is this positive or negative? Positive. What is the power of this variable? 1. Positive or negative? Positive. That means an algebraic expression which having the positive integral power. Integral means integer, positive integer. If it has positive integer, then it's a polynomial. Okay, so we can say that an algebraic expression which having the non-negative integral power is called as a polynomial. Okay, this is polynomial. Okay, which are not belongs to polynomial. Okay, listen. If an algebraic expression which has a negative power, for example, 2x power minus 3 plus 3x square plus 5. If you given like this, is this polynomial? Is this polynomial? No. Why? Why? Because here this variable having the negative integer, so it's not a polynomial. Is that clear? If you given up to this 3x square plus 5, it's a polynomial. But here given negative integer, this variable having the negative integer, so it's not a polynomial. Now coming to another point. If variable in denominator, this is also not a polynomial. Why? Because 1 by x square also we can written as x to the power of minus 2. Okay. Now here this variable having the negative integral, so it's not a polynomial. And third one, if a variable having the root or either square or cube, whatever. Okay. In the expression, if a variable having the root, then it's not a polynomial. Okay. Now these three conditions, if an algebraic expression not belongs to these three conditions, then that is called as a polynomial. Okay. Okay. Now, now we discussed what is variable, what is constants, what is terms, and what is algebraic expression. Okay, what is polynomial and what are not belongs to polynomial. Now coming to degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. What is degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial is nothing but the sum of the powers of a variables which is having the highest sum, highest power, is called degree of polynomial. In a polynomial, for example, 3x square y cube plus 4x y square plus 5x plus y plus, for example, given this polynomial. What is the degree of this given polynomial? Nothing but sum of the powers of a variable. Sum of the powers of variable. Here powers given, variables given x, y. This polynomial is in terms of x and y variables. Okay. Sum of the powers of variable. Powers of these two variables. Sum is here 5. Here also sum is 3. 1. Here 1. Here no. So 0. Okay. In that highest power. What is the highest power? 5. So degree of this polynomial is 5. Degree of given polynomial is 5. Okay. For example, if you given like this, very simple, x power 6, 7x power 5, 8x power 4, 3x square, 5x plus 9, sum given. What is the degree of this polynomial? Okay. What is the highest power of the variable? What is the highest power of the variable here? 6. So degree of this polynomial is 6. Okay. And if you given just a single term, 3x square y square, what is the degree of this polynomial? Very simple. Sum of these two, 2 plus 2, 4. So degree of this polynomial is 4. Is that clear? Okay. Now, here the question is, if you given just a numeric 3, what is the degree of this one? This is also polynomial, then what is the degree of that? Okay. 3 can be written as 3 into x power 0. Why? Because x power 0 is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. No change. So it can be written as 3 into x power 0. What is the degree here? 0. Okay. Degree of a constant number is 0. Constant polynomial is 0. Degree of constant polynomial is 0. Okay, na? Next. And now we'll discuss types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Here polynomials are divided into two types: by degrees and by terms. By degrees and by terms. Okay, divided into two parts. Okay, here if the degree is 0, degree is 0. Example, for example, any numerics. Okay, na? 3, 4, 5. Just now we discussed 3x power 0. 3 can be written as 3x power 0. Here, what is the degree? 0. So, if the degree is 0, that polynomial is called as constant polynomial. What is that? Constant polynomial. If degree is 1, for example, 3x plus 5, 4x, okay, x plus 2. Here, what is the degree? What is the power of variable 1? Nothing but degree is 1. If degree is 1, then that is called as a linear polynomial. What is that? Linear polynomial. If degree is 2, 3x square, 4x square plus 5, like that. What is the degree here? 2 is the degree. If degree is 2, that polynomial is called as a quadratic polynomial. What is that? Quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, it can be x cube. What is the degree here? 3. Okay. And 4x cube plus 5. What is the degree here? 3. So, these are called as a cubic polynomial. Okay. Here just in terms of degrees, don't bother about the number of terms. Okay. Here only one term there, but the degree is 3, so it's called as a cubic polynomial. Okay. Now coming to by terms. By terms. Listen. If your terms, type of polynomial, one term is there. If one term is there, then that is called as a monomial. Monomial. In x square y, how many terms are there? Only one term. In 1, how many terms are there? One term. In x, how many terms are there? One term. These are called as a monomials. Okay. If two terms, x square plus y, okay, x cube plus 3, how many terms are there? 2 terms are there. So these are called as a binomial. Binomial. Bi in the sense 2. Okay. If it has 3 terms, x cube plus 2x square plus 5x, how many terms are there? 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. So this is called as a trinomial. Tri in the sense 3. Tri, 3, 3. Okay, 3 terms are there. So trinomial. More than 3 terms, x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 5. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than 3. more than 3, multinomial. Multinomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, more than 3, multinomial. Okay. Here by 0 degree constant polynomial, and 1 degree linear polynomial, 2 degree quadratic polynomial, 3 degree cubic polynomial. These are the types of polynomials. Okay. Okay friends, thank you, thanks for watching, thank you one and all.